Hi everyone. For today we're looking at forms in HTML. So when you're told to design a form, the following is the procedure you do when designing a form. So this is an example of a form. This one is an example of a form here, and it's looking like that. That's a form. It's looking like this. So if you're told to design something like this, where like a form where someone inputs their information, something like that. So what do we do? So let's look at the back end. Let's look at the code. Let's open Notepad. If at all you have any text editor on your computer, for my case I'm having Notepad, and let me use this to create a form. So we know that whichever code in HTML starts with that tag, the HTML tag, and then the next tag is the head, the head tag. So the head tag is done. After the head tag, we know that in between the head tag is what we call the title tag. Open and close the title tag. In between the title tag, we can have the title of the web page you're dealing with. So the title is my form. So we go straight to the body tag. Actually, I'm seeing some kind of error with my head tag. So the head tag is done. The title tag is also done, and next tag is the body tag. Okay, let's continue. So right there, we are going to open the body tag. Okay, the body tag is done. Okay, so after the body tag, we're going to go to forms, because we are dealing with forms in web design. So forms, again you open form, and again you close form. So in between the form tag, it's where we start designing the forms I showed you at the start of the video. So they had something like first name, so they are requiring maybe some person to input their first name, then input type. You know, there are very many types of forms. We shall be looking at them in HTML. So this one is the first kind of form. There's the buttons, there's the drop down forms. So let's look at this first. So input type is equals to it is text, because someone's first name is always in text. Yes, someone's first name is always in text. Okay, so text is done. Again we type name, because we are dealing with first name. So that's someone's first name. Okay, so let's stay at this. We see what the output is. We see what the output is before I continue putting more forms there. Let me gauge form. So all files, the process of saving an HTML code, then desktop, I want it on desktop, and then I save. Yes, so it's going to be loaded on the desktop. Let me wait for it. It's going to be loaded, and here it is. Actually, I made some error when saving. I missed out something. Let me save again. Save as. That's why it's bringing this kind of symbol. So git form.html, and then all files. I had missed the HTML extension, then I save. So another one's going to be loaded actually, and I'm still waiting for it. Okay, here it is. It's here. So let me try to open it with a search engine. We'll see what the result is so far. So the code is done, and so far we have a one form for first name. Let us see whether it brings it. Yes, it's bringing it. It's right here. Someone is first name, and you can actually put as many forms as you want. Actually, for time saving, we can highlight this. Yes, we copy it, Ctrl C, and then I paste it, Ctrl V. Then I just change the subtitles, maybe second. I can type something like second name. Yes, someone's second name, and then input type text name. Actually, here also I can type something like second. Experiencing trouble here. Maybe second. Okay, you can type second here. Yes, and then you save. It will be saved, and the moment you come to your search engine where you are running the code from, it will load someone's second name here. So these are some types of forms that are very common in websites. They require you to input your information there. So it's how we do them here. Yes, it's how we do those forms. So more videos are coming in about HTML, about the various types of forms. We shall see the selection forms, the drop down forms, and lots. So keep on subscribing to my YouTube, and nice time.